by Zeke Miller and Michael Balsamo, Associated Press, Washington. In a move to send the country back toward pre-pandemic life, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Thursday eased indoor mask-wearing guidance for fully vaccinated people, allowing them to safely stop wearing masks inside in most places. The new guidance still calls for wearing masks in crowded indoor settings like buses, planes, hospitals, prisons and homeless shelters, but will help clear the way for reopening workplaces, schools, and other venues, even removing the need for masks or social distancing for those who are fully vaccinated. The CDC will also no longer recommend that fully vaccinated people wear masks outdoors in crowds. The announcement comes as the CDC and the Biden administration have faced pressure to ease restrictions on fully vaccinated people who are 2 weeks past their last required COVID-19 vaccine dose, in part to highlight the benefits of getting the shot. Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the director of the CDC, announced the new guidance on Thursday afternoon at a White House briefing, saying the long-awaited change is thanks to millions of people getting vaccinated, and based on the latest science about how well those shots are working. Anyone who is fully vaccinated can participate in indoor and outdoor activities, large or small, without wearing a mask or physically distancing, Walensky said. If you are fully vaccinated, you can start doing the things that you had stopped doing because of the pandemic. The new guidance comes as the aggressive U.S. vaccination campaign begins to pay off. Virus cases are at their lowest rate since September. Deaths are at their lowest point since last April, and the test positivity rate is at the lowest point since the pandemic began. To date, about 154 million Americans, more than 46% of the population, have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccines, and more than 117 million are fully vaccinated. The rate of new vaccinations has slowed in recent weeks, but with the authorization Wednesday of the Pfizer vaccine for children aged 12 to 15, a new burst of doses is expected in the coming days. Just 2 weeks ago, the CDC recommended that fully vaccinated people continue to wear masks indoors in all settings and outdoors in large crowds. During a virtual meeting Tuesday on vaccinations with a bipartisan group of governors, President Joe Biden appeared to acknowledge that his administration had to do more to model the benefits of vaccination. "I would like to say that we have fully vaccinated people. We should start acting like it," Utah Governor Spencer Cox, a Republican, told Biden. "And that's a big motivation, get the unvaccinated to want to get vaccinated." "Good point," Biden responded. He added, "We're going to be moving on that in the next little bit."